Here's a concise guide on how to make a silver bag. Let's go step by step. Nash Shack, production process for making the silver bag. Materials needed: 3 rolls of holographic tape, stitch markers, sewing needle, 6mm crochet hook, metal tags for decoration, metal clasps for the bag straps. Step 1. Crocheting the bag base. 1. Foundation chain. Hook the yarn over your thumb and wrap it around your index finger. Crochet 20 chain stitches. 2. First round, insert the hook into the 19th chain stitch and begin single crocheting. Crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch until the last stitch. In the last stitch, crochet 3 single crochets to increase the round. Mark the first stitch of the increase. 3. Second round, crochet along the other side, inserting the hook into each V and pulling through 2 loops for single crochets. Continue until you reach the stitch before the marked stitch. To match the increase on the other side, crochet 3 single crochets in the same stitch at the marked point and mark it. 4 subsequent rounds, slip stitch at the marked stitch, chain 1, and crochet 17 single crochets without increasing. Continue the increase pattern for each round, adding more single crochets between increases. Step 2. Crocheting the bag body. 1. Foundation. After completing the base, crochet a round of single crochets to connect the base to the body. 2. Body pattern. Alternate between 1 single crochet and 1 long double crochet around the bag. Mark the first stitch of each round for reference. 3. Repeating the pattern. Follow the pattern for 5 sets, alternating the stitches to create the desired shape. End with a round of double crochets. Step 3. Finishing the bag body. 1. Slip stitch round. Crochet a round of slip stitches into the front loop of each stitch. Hide the yarn tails by threading them through a sewing needle and weaving them into the stitches. Making the bag strap. 1. Double strand braiding. Measure about 30 centimeters for the strap length. Use the double strand braiding method to create the strap. Attach metal lobster clasps at each end. 2. Securing the strap. Thread the yarn through the clasp, make a knot, and secure it with glue if necessary. Attach the strap to the bag sides. Step 5. Final touches. 1. Decorations. Add metal tags for decoration by attaching them to the bag. 2. Optional. Add a metal snap button for closure. Decorate the sides with frayed ends of the tape for a stylish touch.